Welcome to this explainer. Today we're going to break down the exact technology and the daily lab habits you need to achieve truly flawless analytical weighing. If you work in a lab, you already know that precision isn't just a nice to have, right? It's your absolute baseline. So we're taking a deep dive into an instrument engineered specifically to master that exact precision, the Shimadzu ATY224R Analytical Balance. Now, if you've ever weighed a sensitive sample, you know exactly how frustrating tiny, almost invisible disruptions can be to your workflow. When you're dealing with a microscopic readability of zero point 0.1 milligrams, your own environment is essentially trying to sabotage your data. Something as small as a pesky fly, a rogue draft from an AC vent, or literally just a stray hair can be enough to completely muddy your readings. It's this constant, invisible battle. So let's look at our roadmap for solving these lab frustrations. We'll cover the core challenge of precision, introduce the Shimadzu ATY224R, explore its UniBloc technology, check out the smart connectivity features, discuss calibration and compliance, and wrap up with some crucial best practices for accuracy. Section 1. The challenge of precision, battling the elements. We really need to start by looking at the microscopic battleground that is your weighing pan. The crucial question here is, how can we actually engineer a balance to shield against these invisible environmental variables? To maintain analytical integrity for things like pharmaceutical formulation or chemical research, we've got to find hardware that acts as a fortress against sudden temperature drops, electrostatic charges, and air currents. Section 2. Meet the Shimadzu ATY224R, the ultimate lab shield. The solution to our airflow problem really lies in the physical design. The ATY224R features this incredibly smart three-side sliding draft shield. You get these transparent sliding doors that give you fast, totally unencumbered access to the weighing pan from the front, the left, and the right sides. This speeds up your sample loading and drastically cuts down on measurement wait times in busy labs, all while completely locking out those rogue drafts. And then there's the capacity. This balance provides a highly versatile maximum weighing capacity of 220 grams. Whether you're weighing active pharmaceutical ingredients or standard reaction substrates, 220 grams gives you ample headroom for your most demanding daily tasks. But here is the really impressive part. It handles that robust 220-gram capacity while maintaining a razor-sharp minimum display readability of 0.1 milligrams. We're talking 0.00001 grams. You are securing true analytical-grade precision for every single measurement you take. Section 3. The heart, UniBloc technology. Let's actually peel back the layers and look at the physical sensor driving this precision, because the engineering contrast here is stark. Traditional electromagnetic balance sensors are these complex assemblies made up of around 70 individual parts all screwed together. But the ATY224R utilizes a UniBloc sensor. This is a single, solid piece of high-precision aluminum alloy. By replacing 70 conventional parts with one uniform block, the balance becomes incredibly durable, compact, and highly shock-resistant. And because it has no springs or screws to loosen or degrade over time, this uniform structure acts almost like a heat sink. It ensures exceptional temperature stability and excellent corner load performance. It keeps your readings lightning fast and perfectly stable, even if the room temperature fluctuates a bit. It is a massive upgrade in reliability. Section 4. Smart features and connectivity. Okay, we've seen the hardware, now let's look at the digital brain and see how this fits into your actual daily workflow. Using the easy setting indicator, you can quickly tap a key to switch between priorities. You can shift towards response, marked with an R, or stability, marked with an S. So you can prioritize rapid response times when you're moving fast, or maximum display stability when you're dealing with tricky environmental conditions. You just adapt the balance on the fly. And it comes with so much built-in versatility preloaded. You've got piece counting that memorizes up to 5 sample unit weights, a formulation mode for step-by-step recipe building, specific gravity measurement, and a comparator function for instant pass/fail criteria checking. Plus, it's fully compatible with Lab Solutions Balance software. These built-in programs literally eliminate the need for manual lab math. Data transfer is equally seamless. Step 1, connect the RS-232C cable to your PC. Step 2, open an Excel spreadsheet. Step 3, weigh your sample and transfer the data instantly. The WindowsDirect Communication function means you send data directly to Excel without installing any complicated communication software at all. No IT headaches, no driver downloads, just straightforward automation. Section 5. Calibration and compliance. We all know precision is absolutely useless without proof, right? So let's talk traceability. The ATY224R makes external span calibration incredibly straightforward with simple touch key operation. You literally just press the cal key to initiate, carefully place your precise external weight on the pan when it prompts you, and wait for the cal end signal. It takes the friction entirely out of your daily maintenance routine. When you look at the LCD and see that eCal indicator pop up, the balance is clearly communicating that it's ready to be precisely dialed in using your external weights. It's a foolproof prompt. And here's the best part. Once calibrated, it automatically generates a fully documented report. If you're using the optional connected printer, it gives you exact date and timestamps. The whole output is fully GLP, GMP, and ISO 9000 compliant. Your rigorous regulatory paperwork and strict traceability standards are just handled for you instantly, letting you focus on the actual science. Section 6. Best practices for accuracy. To finish out our explainer, we really need to connect this remarkable hardware back to you, the operator. Supporting that advanced UniBloc sensor means you've got to do your part in the lab. Here are your golden rules. Keep your room temperature steady between 18 and 30 degrees Celsius. Place the balance on a built-in countertop or heavy anti-vibration table. Keep it far away from air vents and doors. Get rid of any magnets within a 3-meter radius. And, of course, always shut those 3-side sliding draft doors during the actual weigh-in. Your habits are what validate the hardware. So I want to leave you with this final thought. Is your lab environment right now helping or hindering your analytical precision? With the Shimadzu ATY224R, you have world-class technology at your fingertips. Take a look around your lab today and ask yourself what tiny, invisible variables you can eliminate next to achieve absolute measurement perfection. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I hope it helps you optimize your precision moving forward.